Hello everyone, we are with our XRP coin. When we look at the current prices and when we look at the visibility, our signal indicator has come into play and is being suppressed a little. Friends, it has come back minus 1%. So what happens when we draw our trend lines? Trend lines like this, let's see. When we look at the tops in the short term, let's draw like this. There's a trend line coming from above. We see that it cannot overcome it. Let's look down. If we draw a trend line like this in the short term, there's a narrowing triangle formation like this. Friends, where are we in this narrowing triangle formation? We are approximately around 0.58. We have a resistance above. Let's talk about it. 0.63 resistance below. We have 0.50 support as our support. This support has already interested here before. It has reacted upwards due to this reaction, and it is stuck there again due to an intermediate resistance zone here. If it is likely to make support, the 0.55 region is seen as a good support. The current appearance of the moving averages is like this, approximately this narrowing triangle formation. Well, it ends around October 16 on this date. Friends, this is the formation we have drawn until today. We can see both increases and decreases. Let's take into account the levels I mentioned in decreases and the resistance I mentioned in increases. Thank you for following.